An appeal for the authorities to clear the Montego Bay River in St. James. This follows major flooding in Lottery Amity Hall on Sunday. Several houses were impacted. Details in this report.
Homes under mud and debris. Chainsaw, an all too familiar sight for residents of Lottery Amity Hall in St. James. After about an hour of heavy rainfall, the Montego Bay River overflowed its banks, yet again causing major flooding.
For years, me actually know say the river come up, but it never come up in the house. And since Melissa blew, it started coming to the house.
The residents contend that the river has not been cleaned for some time, which led to the flooding.
From Melissa, the river block up, and we always ask the councillor, the MP, to send excavator to clean it. Until now, they don't send no excavator. And we have to do with power saw at some of the time and cut up some of the wood them. Yesterday, no rain come back, and that is it.
From the storm blow, we have one shop there, so it wash away. The tree them in the water from the storm. Now the river come down yesterday, it worse. And then it back from yesterday, wash away the car, wash away the shop again.
However, councillor for the Somerton Division in St. James, Michael Allen, insists the issue has been brought to the National Works Agency on multiple occasions, but nothing has been done.
I talked to Mr. Cove at the NWA repeatedly about it. I talked to Mr. Francis about it repeatedly to get it cleared. I talked to the Member of Parliament, he listened to me, and I think he sent a unit here, but it was a tractor. So when I came back, the tractor left, but the tractor couldn't do the work. If this gully coast was cleared before the shower rain, at least say 70%, 80% of water would pass through, so we wouldn't have this terrible act again.
We put the issue to Community Relations Officer for the NWA's Western Region, Janelle Ricketts.
The situation is that it was really unusual rainfall in terms of the amount of rain that fell within a short space of time, leading to significant damage, significant flooding in that particular area. What we are now engaged in is the process of damage assessment, and our teams are now out with the aim to also remove some of those washed down debris from the river channel, and we hope to have that completed in short order.
Carrie Ann Simpson.